It's a strange time at the moment and life for all of us is very different.
But we want to reassure you that even if our team can't meet you in person,
we can still provide support to help you set up your social business online.
We are still here to help with
business visioning,
preparing your business plan,
registering your company,
financial planning and fundraising,
policies and procedures.
Social businesses are stepping up and taking action in the fight against Covid-19.
So making PPE garments for the NHS,
donating bars like these to the NHS, key workers and vulnerable members of the community via food banks and homeless projects.
To developing activities to keep families busy while staying at home.
We don't know what the new normal will look like after this.
But we do know that here at the Wales Cooperative Centre, we will do our part to help rebuild the economy post-Covid-19 by supporting our social business sector.
And if social businesses are good at one thing, it's being innovative and working cooperatively.
So why don't you let us help you put your vision into a reality?
And playing your part in rebuilding the Welsh economy.
Please get in touch, we're here to help.